Welcome! In this lecture, we're going to practice the CH sound. To make the CH sound, the tongue rests on the roof of the mouth and the lips make a round shape. When air is pushed through the mouth, it pushes the tongue down to make the CH sound. Next, Jenny's going to show us how to make the CH sound.
Cha, cha, cha. Cha, cha, cha. Cha, cha, cha.
The key sound for this lecture is ch, ch. Let's practice this key sound. I'll speak the green text like this. Ch, ch. You should speak when you see the gray text like this. Ch, 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 ch. Cha, 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 cha. Cha, 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 cha. Cha, 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 cha. Next, let's practice some words that have the CH sound at the beginning of the word. Cheap, 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 cheap. Chick, 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 chick. Chill, 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 chill. Chip, 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 chip. Chuck, 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 chuck. Next, let's practice some words that have the CH sound in the middle of the word. Inches, 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 inches. Lunchbox, 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 lunchbox. Peaches, 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 peaches. Teacher, 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 teacher. Touchdown, 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 touchdown. Next, let's practice some words that have the CH sound at the end of the word. Beach, 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 beach. Couch, 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 couch. Lunch, 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 lunch. March, 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 march. Reach, 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 reach. Finally, let's practice some sentences that have words using the CH sound. Chuck checked in. Chuck checked in. Chuck checked in. Chuck checked in. I chose chicken and chips. 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 Charlie's child reached the peach. 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 I chopped cheap chili in the kitchen. 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 The teacher checked Chad's speech. 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 Congratulations! You've completed this lecture. In the next lecture, we're going to look at the CH and SH sounds together. See you then.